for my positives. There's only one sign switch here, so it's only one. Let's analyze the negatives. So, y'all, when I plug in the negatives, nothing changes. It's still the same, so it's still just 1. So you're for sure going to have one positive and one negative. Y'all, what's the degree? What's the degree of this? You only have 2 answers accounted for, so what do the other 2 have to be? Imaginary. All right, look up here. Y'all are going to deal with this. When your first number is even like this, when the second number is half of it, which it is, see the 2? Guys, we can factor this like a low-level Algebra 1 problem. This is factorable. Draw your X. Let's do slide and divide. Sliding. That's -8. Don't forget you got to divide by what you slid. Okay, I just set that up. All right, I need numbers that multiply to a -8 that add up to a 7. I know what that is. That is a +8 and a -1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Don't forget it's x squared. You got to split them up. This was a 4, so 2x squared goes here. This is going to be 4x squared minus 1. One of these can keep factoring. Y'all, that's the difference in 2 squares right here. So this turns into 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. So if I set each one of these equal to 0 and solve, x would equal -1/2, and x would equal +1/2. Boom, done with the reals. Now let's talk about this. Set it equal to 0 and solve. You better push that 2 over. Square root both sides. Draw your plus minus. And look, y'all know the bell's about to ring. If you do not take out that negative on tests and quizzes right there, I'm taking off so many points. You got to take that I out. So the final answer is going to look like this. You got to take that I out. There's nothing I can do with a 2. I can make it positive, which I have to. Y'all, these are the answers. 4 answers, 4 degrees.